You are now watching a Lucky Penny Shop product feature.
Hey, it's Lucky Penny Shop. Thanks for stopping by today. I do appreciate it. Before I begin, I need to say thank you to Maud Borup for sending this to me for free to show everyone on video today. I wasn't sure I was going to be able to squeeze this one in, but I thought, I've never shown a product like this. I've never used a product like this. It is called the Darlings Let's Sparkle Strawberry Cotton Candy Glitter Drink Bombs. There are 4 servings, and you can use any sparkling water or sparkling drink. I chose sparkling cider. Let's see, this side says, Strawberry Cotton Candy Glitter Drink Bombs, indulge your taste buds in a little love. And the box itself is all pink, and there's red accent little stars on the one side panel by the nutritional facts. And then the front is pink on the left, kind of a scene on the right, with 2 glasses and then the cotton candy. This will be interesting to see since I've never shown anything like this. The back has sort of a posh setup with different cotton candies and glasses, all in a nice little scene on a checkerboard bottom. And then here are the instructions. 1. Open your fave bubbly beverage. Fill glass half full. What does it say under that? Something overfilling. I can't read it. Open cotton candy glitter drink bomb pouch. Drop glitter bomb into a fun glass. Stir to see your bubbly sparkle. Okay, we are going to do that. Let me get the supplies. I need to stir. I didn't grab a spoon. I grabbed the glass. I've got sparkling apple cider off on the side. I'll open that for you, and we will check it out. All right, we're going to give this a try. I have my sparkling cider, non-alcoholic apple cider, and I thought being somewhat of a clear liquid, it will show you everything in more detail. And then, of course, the glass and a matching spoon. I thought it matched the box really well. Let's just take a look at what's inside the box. Now, I'm always interested in trying new things like this, so we'll give it a try. First, we'll see how to open it. Okay, little tabs. All right. I thought they'd be in clear pouch, but they are in a pink pouch that match the box. And the instructions are on the back. And then it does say, Darling, let's sparkle. Serves 1. Ooh, we have 4. Well, we might have to do more than 1. So we see what it's all about. Let's just peek in the bag and see what we're looking at here. Okay, my peel didn't work. Huh. Where it rips and where it opens are not matching up. So let us cut. There we go. So yes, a little piece of cotton candy. Let's just open up 2. Okay, we have the 2 open. Let's do this. Now this has this little pull tab to get off the foil. All right. Okay, then you twist this. It's kind of like a champagne bottle with the cork on top and that little metal cage keeping it in. All right, let's see. Hopefully we don't spill everywhere and it doesn't shoot. It's gonna pop. Ooh, the bubbly sparkling cider. Ooh, hear the fizz? Okay, let's put it in the cup. Halfway. Okay, so it's kind of yellowish like apple juice. Let us turn this way. Okay, now remember, it said, open the cotton candy glitter bomb. Drop glitter bomb into a fun glass. Is that a fun glass? I think it is. It's got the weird shaped stem. It's a funny looking glass. Stir to see your bubbly shimmer. All right. Do you think there's something in it, like a pouch inside? We'll have to dissect one in just a second. Here we go. Ooh, look at that. It's definitely raising up, and it changed the color slightly to a more pinkish color like the cotton candy. So now it's going to be strawberry apple, right? Ooh, listen to that. Maybe what I'll do is I'll just put some in a bowl and then we can do a top down and see, get a better shimmer going. Alright, so here we go. Let's taste it. Ooh, it's very sweet. Very sweet because you've added the cotton candy to it. I like it. Now, I didn't try the apple cider without that, so I get nothing to compare it to, but ooh, the flavor is good. Strawberry, apple. All right, let me grab a couple more things here and we'll do it again. We have 4, so let's do them all. Okay, so let's just tilt that way. Let's just pour a little more of the sparkling apple in there. Now we have a second pouch open, but I spilled. There we go. Let's do this right on top of it. Okay, let's open pouch 2. 2 is open. And let's put this on there. It dissolves really quick, so you ready? Here we go. I will say that was pretty cool looking in that flat bowl. Ooh, it sparkles really nice. I mean, it bubbles really nice. I'm not sure I see the sparkling. Let's look closer. Well, I'll tell you what. Let me grab another pouch. Ooh, that one open. Now, is there anything in here that indicates... Ah, see? There is something in there. I don't know what that is. It's like a powder. Let's just see how it reacts again. Ooh, it's stuck to my finger. That is pretty neat. Okay, the 4th pouch. I just want to try some of the cotton candy. Now, I'm a cotton candy expert. I would call myself a cotton candy expert because I've done numerous cotton candy machines. I own a professional cotton candy machine. I've made thousands of batches of cotton candy. Alright, let's just try the cotton candy. Here we go. Strawberry flavored. And that's what it is. Strawberry flavored cotton candy. Let's just put this last one in while we're here and I'll wrap it up. Let's see what we get. It's almost like you see in those science labs when they're doing petri dishes and they do time lapse and everything goes spreads out real quick. That's kind of the look. And now it's super duper pink. Oh, wait a minute. I think I do see the sparkly in there. Let us look closer. Yeah, it does sparkle. Let me just shine a light on it. Let me shine a light on it. And see. Yes, it's in there. Now that really affects it. Let me turn off some lights. Can you see it? Let me swirl it around. Now you see it. That's the sparkly effect. All right. Looks pretty cool. All right, that's cool. Cool. How many times am I going to say cool? I'll be right back. Try to clean up a little. All right, well, it did work. Did exactly what it said. Now, your sparkly liquid probably needs to complement the strawberry. So what other sparkling beverages would you try? Just like a sparkling water, like a plain sparkling water to add the strawberry in there, and then you get just the strawberry flavor. You're not mixing strawberry with the apple, which is okay. Strawberry apples is a good combo. But generally speaking, it was fun to check out and learn about. And thanks again to them for sending this to me. I do appreciate it. Forgot to turn off my flashlight. And thanks for watching all these videos this year. There's been quite a few for Valentine's Day. I don't know if it's more than normal, but I just got a little backlogged. They even started at the beginning of February. And just lots of cool stuff to show you. Hope you enjoyed it. And thanks for watching, everybody. Later.
If you're looking for the item you just saw in the video, click here. Watch more videos by clicking here. Don't forget to share on social media and give a thumbs up.
Hey, LPS Dave.
What's up, Butch?
Make sure they don't forget to subscribe.
Oh yeah, please click here to subscribe to Lucky Penny Shop. And always remember, when you see a lucky penny,
Pick it up.